What are neurotransmitters? Have you ever wondered how our brains send messages to our bodies? This is where neurotransmitters come into play. So, what exactly are neurotransmitters? They are chemical messengers that help neurons communicate with each other and with other cells. This communication is essential for our nervous system, which controls many bodily functions. These functions include heart rate, breathing, sleep cycles, digestion, mood, concentration, appetite, and muscle movement. Let's break down how neurotransmitters work. First, an electrical impulse travels down a neuron. This impulse triggers the releases of neurotransmitters into the synapse, which is the gap between two neurons. Once released, these neurotransmitters bind to specific receptors on the next neuron. Depending on the type of neurotransmitter, the receiving neuron can either be activated or calmed. Finally, any leftover neurotransmitters are cleaned up. They are either broken down by enzymes or taken back up by the original neuron in a process called reuptake. Neurotransmitters can be categorized based on their effects. Excitatory neurotransmitters increase the chance that the next neuron will fire. Examples include glutamate and adrenaline. On the other hand, inhibitory neurotransmitters reduce the chance of firing, calming the system. GABA, which stands for gamma-aminobutyric acid, and serotonin are examples of inhibitory neurotransmitters. There are also modulatory neurotransmitters, which fine-tune the activity of other neurotransmitters. Dopamine is a well-known example of a modulatory neurotransmitter. Understanding neurotransmitters is particularly important for students studying advanced placement psychology. This knowledge helps explain how the brain regulates various behaviors and functions. For instance, neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin are linked to mood regulation and motivation. These factors can significantly affect academic performance and overall well-being. Additionally, knowing how neurotransmitters work allows students to appreciate the biological basis of psychological phenomena. Topics such as mood disorders and drug addiction are often covered in advanced placement psychology courses. So, as you prepare for your exams, consider creating study guides that include key information about neurotransmitters. Use diagrams to illustrate how they function and categorize them based on their effects. This will not only help you understand the material better but also make your study sessions more engaging. Remember, mastering the concept of neurotransmitters can give you a solid foundation in understanding the complexities of human behavior, which is a major focus in advanced placement psychology.